In primetime news this evening, move to impeach. Opposition leader tables bill for the impeachment of MPs. No illegal parties. Cops vow to remain vigilant even after COVID protocols expire. And Labour Minister proposes farm work program reform. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News, on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Herman Green. Also this evening, the business stories, the top stories of the day for sports. There's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather. But before the break, here is our feedback question. This evening we're asking, do you think Senator Kamina Johnson-Smith should release the harassing emails she received from the PNP parliamentarian? Share your comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica, or tweet at televisionjam. Please stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.